failure of all lines of defense and effectiveness of whistleblowing. As per IAA position paper, 3 lines of defense can be set up in an organization for effective risk management. These lines of defense provides a simple and effective way to enhance communications on risk management and control by clarifying essential roles and duties of all stakeholders concerned. Line 1 is operational management. Line 2 is risk management and compliance functions. Line 3 is internal audit. Operational managers are responsible for identifying risk and taking corrective actions to address any control deficiencies on a day-to-day basis. Risk management function monitors the first line of defense and intervene as necessary to modify or develop the internal controls. Compliance with the laws and regulations comes under the second line of defense. 4 common activities of second line of defense are the following. 1. Providing guidance and training. 2. Facilitating and monitoring the implementation. 3. Alerting on emerging issues. 4. Monitoring the adequacy. Internal audit has highest possible level of independence and objectivity within the organization. They provide an important layer of additional oversight over the controls in the first line of defense by the following 2 activities. 1. Auditing controls. 2. Tracking of control deficiencies. Though 3 lines of defense provides communication on risk management and control, in practice there can be breaches or failures of all lines of defense leading to potential fraudulent situations or transactions. Having seen the first, second and third lines of defense and the consequences of the breaking or failure of all lines of defense, we are now going to see the effectiveness of whistleblowing to prevent or reduce the damage caused by breaking or failure of the lines of defense. Whistleblowing program helps the organization to detect situations with the potential legal implications and or consequences that may emerge by breaking or failure of all lines of defense. The program provides a cost-effective platform to all stakeholders who wants to report something outside their normal chain of command. Fraud or abuse or any impropriety within the organization can be reported through the whistleblowing platforms. The reported whistles are kept confidential and investigated, and corrective and preventive actions are taken based on the investigation report. It helps the organization to prevent or reduce the damage caused by the potential fraudulent transactions or situations. The whistleblowing program provides safety, security and protection to the whistleblowers from retaliation both from the side of the management and from the employees. For implementing an intelligent, dynamic and cost-effective whistleblowing program in your organization, kindly contact Josh Matthew at safespeakup.com.